Welcome back. We are doing month 3 of my YouTube channel, and this month is June of 2023. Okay, as far as the YouTube portion, I did 15 YouTube shorts. I again did them on the odd days, so we got June 1st all the way through June 29th. Now, in addition to these YouTube shorts, I published 30 pins and 30 tweets, one for each day. I did 6 Instagram photos and 13 Facebook photos. And then for Reels, on Instagram, I did 8, and on Facebook, I did 7 Reels. And again, those Reels are repurposed content from my YouTube shorts. Okay, so real quick, let's jump right in. We're going to focus on YouTube. My views for June were 4.2K, actual number right here, 4228, 36.1 watch hours, and 13 subscribers. Because subs, we lost and gained. So, one thing that I have learned, so on this main front page, they only show you the difference for like the day. Like this day, I earned 5. So on this day, I could have gained 7 and lost 2, but they're going to show me a positive 5. If you get confused why this does not match this, that's why. So again, here, I actually gained 20 and lost 7. Oh, I called that one perfect. I did gain 7 and I lost 2. And then like here, on that front page, it showed a positive 3, but really it was 4 minus 1. So just interesting if you care to know a little bit more about how much you are actually gaining and losing versus more like that middle number. So just a little helpful hint there, something I've picked up scrolling around through the analytics. Now I do want to say, so we've done now April, May, and this is June. Based on my numbers, this is a little bit lower than April. April was my best month, and then May kind of took a dive, and June is back up. So I'm going to tell you the 3 views, April, May, June. 6K, 2.4K, and then 4.2K. Now let's go through the watch hours. 43, 14, and then 36. And then subscribers gained 14, 4, and then 13. So those are the last 3 months, kind of where the numbers have been. I've been working hard, and honestly, it definitely feels like a hamster wheel and just grinding. Again, let's go ahead and look at some of my videos for June. So we have an outlier right here, 2 others that did very well and I'm very proud of. But this one right here, huge, almost made it to 1,500, very exciting. And that video was sort of a toy review. It was the Galt pop-up toy. I honestly need to remake that. I still have that toy for my children. So I don't know what I did well, whether it was something in the description or the hashtags, but it's performed very, very well. Now, I do want to point out here, it says 1,539 views versus here, it says 1,462. So I believe these are the views it received. Oh, those are views per day. That's not necessarily the views for that video. So here's the views for that actual video. So it did get 1,500. My mistake on that, my mistake. See, again, these numbers, they're everywhere, but they slightly mean something different. So you got to watch out and make sure you actually know what you're looking at. So very excited about that. We had a good average view duration on that video. Had a couple other good ones. Very excited. Let's go ahead and see more. There's not too much to see here with the shorts. I don't feel like it's that exciting personally. So we got our views, watch hours, subscribers, impressions. Click-through rate was almost 3%. So that's cool. We want that to be as high as possible. Okay, overall, I just don't feel like there's that much to share when it comes to shorts, but I will say this month was a turning point for me where I kept producing all these shorts. And I believe at this point I either realized or learned that the shorts can link to a long form video. So in my head, I was like, okay, I'm ready to link them to longer content. And I don't know if it was at this time or when exactly. I don't know why I started with shorts other than just learning and my lack of ability to edit. I don't know which gurus I watched and whether they promoted shorts or not. I think some people said start your channel with shorts. One reason I would say do shorts. I think it's a great way to get subscribers. One reason I would say not to do shorts is all the watch hours, unless you're doing the shorts monetization route. These hours mean nothing to me. I'm not going to hit 1 million views or watch hours or whatever it takes. It's not going to happen. I want to monetize this channel with long form content. So seeing these watch hours, it's so exciting, but it's also so silly in a way. So June was the point where I decided, okay, I'm done doing this. I want content that could make me money in the future, and I'm ready to do long form. So this is the month where I started learning. I started figuring it out, and I started preparing for July. And I will also say one thing that I've done, I believe every month up to this point, is I have all the videos published before the 1st of that month. So before the 1st of June, I had all these videos scheduled out. I'm always ahead. I'm very pro batching and pro working ahead. So that's my style. That is my vibe. If you want to check out month number 4, that'll be coming up next. Check the description, check the playlist, and I hope to see you there. Thanks so much. Have a great day.